Ceramic and stone tiles are the ideal surface coverings because they're beautiful, durable, hygienic, and easy to maintain. However, concerns over cracking can be a barrier to the selection of tile as a floor covering. The Schluter-DITRA Uncoupling membrane is specifically designed to allow the installation of ceramic and stone tile over any even and load-bearing substrate. DITRA performs 4 essential functions to help ensure success. Uncoupling allows the tile and substrate to move independently and neutralizes stresses that could otherwise cause cracked tile and grout. Waterproofing protects common moisture-sensitive building materials like plywood, OSB, and gypsum. Vapor management protects the tile assembly from the effects of residual moisture in the substrate. And support ensures the tile covering will remain intact when exposed to traffic. The integration of DITRA's uncoupling, waterproofing, vapor management, and support functions makes it the universal underlayment for ceramic and stone tile. In addition to the functional benefits, DITRA is a practical solution that fits the needs of the installer. DITRA is lightweight, only 40 pounds per 323 square foot roll. This makes it easy to handle and transport to the job site. DITRA is installed as quickly as you can spread thin-set mortar and requires no special tools or fasteners. Tile can be set immediately over the DITRA membrane, thus saving time on projects. With over 25 years as the industry leader in uncoupling technology, DITRA continues to provide successful, long-lasting tile installations.